Oh man, it broke. It's crazy. See, that broke right there. So let it run here. Well, here it is.
What's this?
Those are rotten. They didn't have a bucket. You see that?
Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah, and this all of these peaches here, they're not ripe enough to be harvested.
It was way overloaded for the size of it.
I mean, I harvested like 10 pieces today in this batch. There's just too much weight. Too much weight. Yeah, it needs a few days to mature. They're pretty not ripe.
There's way too much weight to try to tape the branch back, and you got and have it actually heal.
So what should we do?
Well,
Is there a way that we can lift this?
no, that's what I said. There's too much weight. There's no way to support it where we could wrap it and it might be able to heal. The only thing we can do is leave it and hope that there's enough bark and water.
Yeah, that's too bad because it's also cutting that pieces here. This branch, which is supporting a lot of fruits. We have a secondary support here. It's just majorly, you know.
Unless we just rip, the only thing we do would be to rip all the fruit off of the tree.
And let it ripe inside.
And cut the branch back. And then strap it up there. But just by, I don't know, I think it's pretty dry already. I think the only chance we have of getting anything out of it would be just to try to get it to ripen the way it is.
Yeah. Should we wrap the exposed
see this
area?
little skinny branch right here? It's actually supporting it from going any farther. Its fruit has hooked.
Oh yeah. They give it a little support.
Otherwise it would have probably snapped and gone even farther.
So the one that's supporting it is this little branch here.
Yeah. Keeping it from going the rest of the way.
Yeah.
And we'll just have to use some tree sealer.
Oh well, that's what you can expect when you have too much fruit.
We were too greedy, trying to keep it all instead of thinning out the tree.
Yeah, it's just, I mean, it's a waste. None of them are. Oh, here's another one. There it is. Help remove. Release some pressure. Anyway, that's the fate of our tree. Here, we got two. So this is what we did. We wrapped the broken branch right there, and then we support it right here. All the way to the ground. Hope that helps. Hopefully. Hopefully this will work, huh?